What's up, guys? This one's going to be a very quick video. This morning, as you can see, I jumped in on CBLI. I jumped in at 9:30:02 and I was selling at 9:30:05. So in 3 seconds, you can see 3 seconds. I was getting some partial fills over here, but worked out pretty good. As you can see, I jumped in right there, and then I basically sold right at the top. Um, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, and basically this is where we're at. 1,022 bucks in 3 seconds. So yeah, it was that quick. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, please comment below. I'll be able to help you guys out. Also, for those interested in real estate, because you know I do stocks and real estate, I day trade for about an hour per day. Most of the time, I don't even take a whole hour to trade. Sometimes I'm pretty much done in like 30 minutes or less. As you can see, like a day like today, I was done in 3 seconds. 3 seconds. You can see today, this was today's trades. Jumped in here, got out there really quick. But those of you who are interested in, um, those of you who are interested in real estate, I have a couple links down below. Also, if you go through some of my videos, you could see how I'm finding some of my leads and how we're putting them under contract and how we're getting rid of these contracts very quickly for huge profits. All right, so go through some of my videos. And if you guys have any questions, check out some of the links also below, and I'll be able to help you guys out. All right, really quick. I didn't really want to make a video today, but you got to be consistent, right? I haven't been pretty consistent, so I got to try to work on my consistency as far as posting videos. Anyways, I'm going to try to do more videos, but man, I'm not really a YouTube guy, but I got to get on it. I got to start being more consistent. So that's one thing I need to work on. All right. So I'll check with you guys another day. If you guys have any questions how I'm doing this, just comment below. I'll be able to help you guys out. All right. Cool. Enjoy your day.